Welcome to Melissa Crafts. We're going to be making a mini sandbox, and you're going to need craft sticks, scissors, glue, and a base. Foam or cardboard, any is okay. And you're going to be needing some salt or some real sand from the beach, or if you already have some. Now let's get started. Yeah! Okay, now you're going to need some sticks and go around it because you don't want the sand to get out of the box. Now when you're done doing all the four sides, you're gonna get a piece of wood and cut it into 6 pieces. There, now we have 6 pieces. And you're gonna get 2 of the biggest ones that might be a mistake and make them as the bottom. And glue them together. And guess what I'm trying to make here? A mini bucket to carry sand, obviously. And now when you're done sculpting, you can get a piece of string and cut it. And for the handle, do you like my purse? Just kidding, it's a mini bucket. You can place it in here, and now we can make a shovel. And you're going to do the same thing as you made your bucket, except the string. And you're going to get a little piece of wood and put a little glue and put it on. Then you can hold lots of sand inside, or salt. And now, when you're done doing it, you can add some decorations with the hot glue gun to make 3D patterns. Doesn't it look pretty? You can make a rake to scoop the sand, because sometimes you get frustrated and you could get there and rake it, and you can feel and it feels like you're at the beach. Then you could breathe in and breathe out. Then you're calm. I'm going to be making a beach chair. This is the C part, and this is how they stay on there and not just fall off. And I'm gluing it on. Look at the armchair. It looks great. I wish I could sit in it. And now we need to use the salt for the sand. And now you could put all the things in. The chair, the bucket, the rake, and the shovel. And some little decorations, like slippers, some sea stars, and shell. And if you're stressed one day, you can meditate by playing at the beach. I'm sure it'll make you feel better. So fun. I hope you can make one for yourself, because it's really fun and it could calm you down. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. Bye!